Hi. So this presentation is going to focus on the Nebula series, and we're going to go and have an overview of the product, as well as to show you where the technical details are being placed. So here, if you go to our website, glorystartouch.com, you'll see that we have many products laid out at the top. So please select the category of the product that you want to look at. So right now here I have show the Nebula kiosk series. The Nebula is the most versatile series out from the Glorystar range of product. We have it in 10-inch, 15.6-inch, and also 21.5-inch. Here, the product is designed for commercial purpose. There is the optional PoE, and it's only available on the 10-inch or the 15.6-inch. The PoE is not available on the 21.5-inch. And you need to specify the PoE feature when you place the order with us. Third is all of our tablets allow third-party integration, meaning that if you could specify to us the technical specifications of the barcode, the NFC, or the printer, we're able to see whether we can integrate these third-party modules together with our tablet. All of our units are able to support 4G. It's an optional feature. You need to best tell us the frequency or the telephone company that you're using, for example, Verizon or AT&T, so that when we purchase the 4G module, we're able to know which country's frequency it is in to have the right frequency for your country so that it could connect well. And also, all of our tablets at the back here, you can see there's a lid at the back where it is used to cover up the cables and input and output positions so that third parties are not so easily accessible to these cables. For all of our tablets, it supports Android 9.0 now. However, we do have customers that have been using Android 7.1. We still support those projects out in the market. However, for all the new tablets that you purchase from us, it will be Android 9.0. And all the tablets will have Staros, which is our free kiosk lockdown app, installed as a launcher. So this is Staros. And Staros allows you to lock down either your website, your applications, or your videos and photos. So when a device turns on, it will go directly to your set program. So either it's an app or a website. As well as you can connect the device to Star Control, which allows you to remotely control all of the devices. So here is Star Control. So you would need to go to thestarcontrol.com, register an account. After that, you need to plug in the serial number of the device, and then it could be connected with the Star Control platform. Then you can remotely manage or see the status of the tablets. So from this chart here, you can see the name of the device, which model, which lockdown mode is the device in, and also whether the device is online or offline. At the same time, you can screen capture and also update your APK or update your firmware. So the Star Control is of a separate charge, which you can contact our sales for more details on that. Okay, so going back to the Nebula series, we have, as mentioned, we have the 3 sizes. So from this bar here, you can choose to look into detail either the 10-inch, the 15.6-inch, or the 21.5-inch. So let's say if I wanted to learn more about the 15.6-inch. So let's say if I want to learn more about the 15.6 inch, so I would come into this page here, and here you can see that these are the photos of the tablet itself. These are the features that we just talked about, and here is a detailed input I/O port diagram showing where's the LAN, SD card, where's the micro USB, HDMI slots, as well as if you open up here, this is the 2D diagram showing the dimensions of the tablet, okay? So going back to the page here, you can see the peripherals that our tablet would work on and the different mountings that this particular size supports. Okay, so going back to the main page here, so it's the same for each particular model. You can go in and look into those details. Our tablet could be used in many different applications. For example, it could be used as a virtual health checking tablet, as a check-in device. You can integrate it into the refrigerator, or be used as a gaming console or a fitness scoreboard. As well as you can add different peripherals to our tablet. Barcode is one of it, and also RFID reader. So if you want to know more about the barcode, you can click here. And from here, you can see that, for example, it's connected through the micro USB. It's a 1D barcode. This is the ideal scan distance, and these are the formats, different barcode formats that our barcode supports. So this gives you more of a detail of what type of barcode that you are getting. So it could be either a 1D, which is just scanning a barcode, or 2D, which allows you to scan QR codes. Okay. So for the RFID as well, if I click into here, you can see that this particular RFID, supports the different cards here, as well as the different distances. You can see here it's up to 50 mm in distance. Going back here, as you can see that the device here is Visa supported. We have, as mentioned, the USB, micro USB at the side and at the bottom for you to attach the different peripherals. If you want to know more, you can click here. You can see the videos of Nebula. So this is our product. This is our product video, and this is a live demo. If you like, you can look also into the different case studies we have. So we have these case studies ranging from a Flywheels bike console to a retail e-catalog, into a information kiosk in a museum, and also a RFID tablet where you can put the tablet on the RFID and would show the information of the product. Also as a queuing system in a restaurant, as well as a workstation in IKEA in this case. We do have support and resources where, for example, here, release notes, you can click, and once you click, you can see that, for example, this is our latest announcement stating the release of the StarOS 10.0. So you can always come and look at the latest information of the product release. As well as the CE, FCC certifications are all here. So you can click and you can find our certification here. That's very handy for you to look for these certifications, as well as, for example, the 2D drawing of each of the models. So you can click and you can find the different sizes and 2D drawings, dimensions for all of our tablets. So it's handy for people who are designing a kiosk or designing a display cabinet for our tablets. So if the customer wants to go deeper as to, what type of technical capabilities are we able to support, you can click here, technical documents. So it says here, registered account required. So we need to have 1 day of approval for you to log into our system to look at all the technical documents. So if I click here, it brings me into this backend page. So you need to sign up, and then sign in. So here, but you'll see that you can read, for example, the RFID reader um, SDK file for it, where you can download, and therefore you can integrate it with your software. So this is just one example. So if, let's say, if I log in, okay. So if I log in here, okay. So you see that once you log in, there's much more technical documentation. So an example would be, how to create firmware over the air update into your application. So here we would have the update demo file for you to integrate into your software to have this feature. So these are some of the common problems and common solutions to the problems that we have supporting our customer and supporting their project. Going back here, lastly, we have the FAQ, which which we actually try to update more as frequently as possible for all the frequently asked questions of Nebula. And you can read it and see if you can see solutions to your problems. So in a nutshell, I think this gives you a brief overview of the Nebula series of product and where you can find information that you need. So hopefully this is helpful for you all. Thank you.